Envision the most perilous creature on the planet. What comes to mind? A lion? Perhaps a shark? What if I were to reveal that the true menace is significantly smaller but far more fatal? Visualize the expansive and diverse animal kingdom, teeming with life forms that evoke both reverence and terror. However, the most lethal amongst them aren't the ones you typically imagine. They aren't the colossal behemoths or the carnivores with razor-sharp fangs. They are minuscule, frequently unnoticed, yet incredibly deadly. In today's enumeration, we're poised to shatter some misconceptions and escort you into a realm where magnitude doesn't correspond to might and where an innocuous facade can mask a deadly reality. From the humid tropics to the profoundest depths of the oceans, from the parched wastelands to your very own backyard, hazard lurks in the most unanticipated guises. So, steel yourself for an exploration into the captivating, the cryptic, the astonishing. Fortify yourself as we plunge into the domain of the top 10 most fatal animals on Earth. At number 10, we have the Lonomia obliqua, more commonly known as the assassin caterpillar. Though it may appear harmless, this fuzzy creature is far from innocent. Nestled among its bristles are venomous spines that deliver a potent cocktail of toxins with the slightest touch. The venom of the assassin caterpillar is a silent killer, causing havoc in the human body. It triggers a cascade of events leading to a condition known as disseminated intravascular coagulation. This condition disrupts the body's ability to clot blood, causing internal bleeding. In severe cases, it can lead to kidney failure, hemorrhagic stroke, and even death. More alarming still is the fact that this caterpillar is not a rare exotic creature found in remote jungles. It's commonly found in South America, posing a significant risk to local populations. This small creature proves that danger can come in the smallest packages. Coming in at number 9 is an ocean dweller, the blue-ringed octopus. With its vibrant, pulsating neon blue rings, it might seem like a spectacle of beauty. But don't be fooled. This small creature, only about the size of a golf ball, packs a venomous punch that's potent enough to paralyze its prey within minutes. This octopus doesn't produce its venom, but rather, it's created by bacteria living symbiotically within its salivary glands. When it feels threatened or is on the hunt, the octopus will bite its target, injecting the venom and causing paralysis. This paralysis is so swift and effective that the prey often doesn't realize what's happening until it's too late. What's more, there's no known antidote to the blue-ringed octopus's venom. That's right. A bite from this tiny creature can lead to a fatal outcome if not treated immediately. The ocean holds many dangers, and the blue-ringed octopus is one of the deadliest. Our number 8 spot is taken by an unsuspecting mollusk, the marbled cone snail. Now you might be surprised to learn that such a seemingly harmless creature could be capable of delivering a fatal blow. Yet this is no ordinary snail. Its venom, a complex concoction of hundreds of different toxins, is potent enough to paralyze or even kill unsuspecting prey. But how does it deliver this venom? The answer lies in a specialized tooth shaped like a tiny harpoon. When the snail senses a meal nearby, it launches this tooth with a force that belies its small size. The tooth pierces the prey, delivering the venom directly into their system. It's a remarkable and deadly adaptation. To humans, a sting from the marbled cone snail can be extremely painful and, in rare cases, lethal. So while it may look harmless, it's best to admire this creature from a safe distance. This snail is a slow-moving killer, proving that speed isn't everything. At number 7, we find one of the most colorful creatures on our list, the poison dart frog. Residing primarily in Central and South America, these tiny amphibians carry a potent secret. Despite their small size, they're one of the most toxic creatures on Earth. Their vibrant skin, a warning sign to predators, secretes a dangerous toxin. This toxin, known as batrachotoxin, can paralyze or even kill predators. The indigenous tribes of Colombia have utilized these toxins for centuries, applying them to the tips of their blow darts for hunting. A single golden poison dart frog carries enough poison to kill up to 10 grown men. It's a fascinating example of how nature uses beauty as a disguise for danger. The poison dart frog, with its stunning colors and lethal toxins, is an embodiment of the deadly allure found within the animal kingdom. This vibrant creature is a deadly mix of beauty and danger. Number 6 on our countdown is a creature that is as fearsome as its name suggests, the Deathstalker scorpion. This arachnid, found primarily in desert and scrubland habitats of the Middle East and North Africa, is known for its potent venom. A sting from a deathstalker isn't just painful, it can be lethal. This venom is a cocktail of neurotoxins and one of the most potent in the world. It can cause a variety of symptoms in humans, including heart palpitations, fever, convulsions, and in severe cases, it can lead to respiratory failure. It's worth noting that while it's dangerous, the deathstalker typically doesn't seek out human interaction. But if cornered or threatened, it will defend itself, and you certainly don't want to be on the receiving end of that sting. The Deathstalker scorpion, a creature that truly lives up to its menacing name. Slithering into the number 5 spot is the boomslang snake. Don't let the boomslang's unassuming appearance fool you. This snake, native to sub-Saharan Africa, packs a venomous punch. The boomslang's bite is slow to take effect, but it's deadly. Its venom is a potent hemotoxin, a substance that destroys red blood cells, disrupts clotting, and can cause organ degeneration and generalized tissue damage. The bite of a boomslang might seem insignificant at first. The snake's fangs are located at the back of its jaw, and the initial bite may be relatively painless. However, symptoms can develop over the course of several hours, even days, eventually leading to a condition known as disseminated intravascular coagulation, where the blood starts to clot throughout the body. This can result in bleeding both internally and externally, and without treatment it can be fatal. Despite its deadly nature, boomslangs are generally shy and will only strike if they feel threatened. The boomslang snake, a slithering harbinger of death. Flying into the number 4 spot is a surprising entry, the hooded pitohui, a toxic bird. This feathered creature, native to Papua New Guinea, is far from your average songbird. What sets the hooded pitohui apart is its unique defense mechanism. Its feathers and skin are laced with a potent neurotoxin. Imagine a bird that doesn't rely on speed or stealth to evade predators, but instead uses poison. The toxin, known as batrachotoxin, is the same one found in the skin of the notorious poison dart frogs. Any predator unlucky enough to touch or ingest this bird will experience numbness, tingling, and in severe cases, paralysis. But don't let this deter you from appreciating the beauty of the hooded pitohui. It's a vibrant bird, with a rich chestnut color and a black head, truly a sight to behold. Just remember to admire it from a distance. After all, this is a bird that brings a whole new meaning to the phrase "a little birdie told me." Crawling into the number 3 spot is a creature straight out of a nightmare, the Gila monster. This reptile, native to the southwestern United States and northern Mexico, is infamous for its venomous bite. A slow-moving creature, it may not appear threatening at first glance, but do not be deceived. The Gila monster's venom is a potent cocktail of toxins that can cause excruciating pain. A single bite can lead to a rapid pulse, a drop in blood pressure, and even cause victims to break into a cold sweat. While fatalities are rare, the pain can last for up to 24 hours, making it an experience you'd rather avoid. What's more, the Gila monster is one of the few venomous lizards in the world. Its venom glands are located in its lower jaws, and when it bites, the venom flows up grooves in its teeth and into its victim. The Gila monster, a creature that turns a nightmare into reality. Drifting into the number 2 spot is a creature as beautiful as it is deadly, the Irukandji jellyfish. This diminutive beauty, barely the size of a human fingernail, hails from the waters of northern Australia, but don't let its size fool you. Its venom is 100 times more potent than that of a cobra, and 1,000 times stronger than a tarantula's. The Irukandji jellyfish's sting is so potent, it causes a condition known as Irukandji syndrome. The symptoms: excruciating muscle cramps, severe pain in the back and kidneys, burning sensation in the skin and face, headaches, nausea, restlessness, sweating, vomiting, an increase in heart rate and blood pressure, and psychological phenomena such as the feeling of impending doom. Medical attention is a must. as this can lead to fatal brain hemorrhages. Despite its deadly reputation, this jellyfish is a pivotal part of the marine ecosystem. With its transparent body and delicate tentacles, you'd never guess the lethal power it holds. The Irukandji jellyfish, a beautiful killer. And finally, at number 1, we have the most deadly creature on our planet, the box jellyfish. This fascinating creature, as beautiful as it is deadly, holds the title for the most venomous marine animal. Its long, slender tentacles are lined with thousands of specialized cells known as cnidocytes. Each of these cnidocytes contains a tiny, barbed thread that can deliver a potent venom. This venom is so powerful that it can cause heart failure in humans before they even reach the shore. The sting of a box jellyfish is not only intensely painful, but can also lead to paralysis, cardiac arrest, and in some cases, death within a matter of minutes. And what makes this creature even more terrifying is its near invisibility in the water, which makes it a hidden danger for swimmers and divers. In spite of its deadly nature, the box jellyfish plays an important role in the marine ecosystem, controlling the population of certain fish and shrimp species. The box jellyfish, the most deadly creature on Earth. From the smallest caterpillar to the most beautiful jellyfish, danger lurks in the most unexpected places. We've traveled a perilous path together, uncovering the lethal secrets of nature's most deadly creatures. The assassin caterpillar, unassuming yet deadly, with venom potent enough to cause kidney failure. The blue-ringed octopus, small but fatal, its venom paralyzing unsuspecting victims. The marbled cone snail, beautiful and deadly, with a sting that can be fatal. The vibrant poison dart frog, its skin laced with lethal toxins. The deathstalker scorpion, its sting a cocktail of neurotoxins. The boomslang snake, its venom causing massive internal bleeding. The hooded pitohui, a bird with poisonous feathers. The Gila monster, one of the few venomous lizards. The Irukandji jellyfish, minuscule but deadly. And the box jellyfish, its tentacles draped with death. Remember, the most deadly creatures are not always the biggest or the fiercest. Sometimes they're the ones you'd least expect.